Good morning, students. Today's class, we are going to see GST. What do you mean by GST? GST is goods and service tax. So we are going to see how we are going to calculate GST. Okay. Now I'll share the screen for you. We'll go to Vatali where we'll go and see GST. Before going for GST, there are three types of GSTs we have to see in our day-to-day life. One is your IGST, that is called as your integrated GST, CGST, that is called as your central GST, and then SGST, that is called as your state GST. So these things are given in your notes also. There are three types of GSTs: IGST, integrated GST, CGST, central GST, SGST means you have state GST. Now, state GST and central GST will only come for transactions within the particular state. Okay, that is, now if we are in Tamil Nadu, we are going to sell to anybody in Tamil Nadu itself, like Madurai, Kanjipuram, like any Madurai, Kanjipuram, Coimbatore, and all. Only CGST and SGST will be applicable. Suppose the same goods we are going to sell to the different state, like we are going to sell to Punjab or Odisha or Andhra Pradesh, IGST will be applicable. The same thing only. Suppose if GST is 18%, if we are going to sell goods within Tamil Nadu, 9% of CGST and 9% of SGST will go. Now the same thing we are going to sell to somebody outside Tamil Nadu. Suppose I am in Tamil Nadu, I am going to send outside Tamil Nadu. The 18% will go for IGST. Now we are going to see how we are going to calculate the GSTs. Okay. Now before going for GSTs, you have to see the question now. That is Rajalakshmi Electronics Tamil Nadu. That Tamil Nadu is very important. It is selling two types of products: electronics and solar products. In electronics, for all the products, we have only 18% GST. If you see for TV, it is 18, induction stove 18, Preeti mixer 18. And for solar products, the same solar product category, but for solar torch, it is 10%. For geyser, it is 15%. Now, we are going to put the GST values and we are going to sell. Now, if you see, there are four types of questions here. It sold 10 TVS and 5 induction stove to Ratna Fan House, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So, we are in Tamil Nadu. Rajalakshmi Electricals is in Tamil Nadu. We are going to sell to Ratna Fan House, which is in Tamil Nadu itself. So, what GST will be applicable? CGST and SGST. The same Rajalakshmi Electronics, it is selling 10 Preeti mixer to Rahul Traders, Tirupati. In that case, CGST, SGST won't be applicable. Only IGST will be applicable. So, we'll see how we are going to do this. Any doubts you can ask me. Okay. Now, we'll create a thing. We'll create a company. What is the company's name? Company's name is Rajalakshmi Electronics. That is the company's name. So, Rajalakshmi Electronics. Here, very, very important one, state should be mentioned here. That is because we are going to deal with Tamil Nadu and outside Tamil Nadu. The state should be mentioned as Tamil Nadu. Okay. If you don't give the state there, you won't get the answer. So I'll just write 600054. Some pin code I can write, which is in Tamil Nadu, and I can save this. That putting that state is very important in while calculating GSTs. Okay. Now I have to go to F11. What is F11? F11 is your F11 is your company features. Okay. So F11 is your company features. I'll go to F11 there. Okay. There you have to go to statutory and taxation. There we have to go and enter the GST values. We have to go and enter the GST values. Okay. Now I think you won't be able to see this. I'll just see here. So goods enable. Okay. Now you can see there. Now I can come here. Now I think you can see the screen now. Enable goods and service tax. Yes. Do you want to alter the GST details? Means you can give an S there. Now what is the state? Tamil Nadu. Registration type is regular because we are suppose you are paying it regularly. You have to give regular, and here you have to give the GST number, which is very very important. Since it is education software, I can give some GST number and then I'll write the GST date. Suppose a GST detail, suppose for everybody, I'm selling only one type of product. For everybody, for all the products, it is only one GST, then I can give an S and give it. Now, my GST rates are going to be different because for one product it is 18, for another product it is 10. So I need not do anything. I'll just okay, I need not do anything. Suppose if you give here also, you need not give anything, just give an escape and then give a no and then you can come here. Okay, this is your GST values. Give an enter, tap 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 and then you can give here. Okay, now what is the next one we are going to see? The next one what we are going to see is, okay, next one is I have to go to my accounts info. Okay, I have to go to my account info. I have to create my ledger. So first one is what I have to create. I have to create what all the things, if you can see here. Okay, if you see here, I have to create Ratna Fan House, Rahul Traders. We'll just do that one alone. Okay, so Ratna Fan House, it is a Sunrise debtor because we are, it is a customer. So here you have inventory values. Okay, now you want to see here, you want to alter the GST, you can give yes. No, for Ratna Fan House I'm not going to alter it, so I'll give no only, because if you want to change for Ratna Fan House separately, you want to give GST, you can give. I'm not going to, only for the products and I'm going to give, I'll give an S here. Now next one is, what is the next thing? We have Rahul Traders Tirupati. So I'll just go for Rahul Traders Tirupati. So that is also Sunrise Creditas. Here I'm going to write, instead of Tamil Nadu, I have to write Andhra Pradesh. That is very, very important one. Okay, and give an enter. You want to change the details? No, I'll give an enter. So I've created two things. Next one is very important. We have to create a sales ledger. So sales ledger will come in sales account because we are going to maintain it. And here, if you see here, it is coming under goods. It is not coming under service. Okay, GST applicable. Yes, I'm just going to give an enter and give an enter. Now the next one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my inventory info. There I'm going to give my this one. So it is here units, NOS, because everything is in numbers. I'm giving a numbers there. The next one is I'm going to go to my stock group. So what are the group, as I told you, if you see here, it is electronics and solar product. So these are the group I have to create. So electronics, I'm going to write electronics under primary. Now for all the electronic items, what we have the same GST. See here for TV induction, it is only 18%. So here I'll just give an S and I'll change that to 18% here. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. I'll go to my display and see whether electronic is there. Yes. So electronics item is there. I'll go and okay, here electronics. So GST data, I'll give an S there. Here it is it taxable? Yes, taxable. Integrated tax, as I told you, for everything it is 18%. So I'll write 18% and I'll give an enter, because for all the products it is 18%. I'm giving it. The next one is I'm going to create one more group. What is the one more group? Solar products. Okay, that will come under primary only. Now you want to see if for all the solar products, if the GST is same, I can give yes, but for one product it is 10% and for another product it is 15%. If you see here, you can see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do anything. I'll give a no and I'll save this. Okay, good. Now I'll go to my stock items. So stock items I will go and create. So what are the stock items? First one is your TV. So that will come under units. GST applicable? Yes. Goods? Okay. Now I'll put some quantity because I have in my godown. So I'll put some 100 and rate is from 25,000. Stock I'm having. I'll put like this. Next one is, as we see, what is the next item we have? We have induction stove. So I'll just write induction stove. Induction stove is under electronics, numbers, GST applicable, goods. So that also I have 100. So what is the rate for an induction stove? 5,600. So 5,600 I'll write and I'll give an enter and I'll save it. Now what is the next one? Preeti mixer grinder. So I'll write Preeti mixer grinder. That is under also under electronics, and then I'll give it. Okay, quantity we have 100. So what is the rate for Preeti mixer grinder? 15,600. So 15,600 I'll write and I'll give an enter. And then likewise for solar, what is in solar? Solar, we have solar torch and solar geyser. So solar torch, I'll write solar torch. That is under numbers. Okay, but that is under what? That is under solar product. I'll give here numbers applicable. Okay, here if you want to change the GST for it, you see here you have to give an yes. Okay, on value. So what is on goods? Okay, you see here it is an yes, applicable yes. Here on item rate, okay, on value, and then solar product yes. Okay, on value here you have to write taxable, you have to write. So what is for solar thing? Solar torch, it is 10%. So for 10% I have to put as my GST. See here we have seen. Okay, so if you see here for solar torch it is 10% you have to do it. You have to write the thing like this. Okay. Okay, and then give an enter. Okay, here because it is an educational software, I can write 0104/2020 and I give an enter. It is goods. Okay, I can, and quantity again 100. What is for solar torch? It is 900 rupees. So I'll write 900 and then I'll give an enter and you can get it. Yes. Now we have done all our stock items. Okay. What is the next one we have to do? We have to go to accounting voucher. So accounting voucher is first one is your F8 sales. I'm going to sell. So to whom I'm going to sell? First I'm going to sell to Ratna Fan House. Okay, Ratna Fan House is where? It is in Tamil Nadu. So what is the first item I'm going to sell? TV. How much TV we are going to see here? It sold 10 TVs and 5 induction stove to Ratna Fan House. So how many TVs? 10. Okay, what rate? We have it is for, actually rate is 25,000 for what we have got it. But I'll sell it for 26,000. Okay. And the next one is, what is the next one? We are selling induction, 5 induction stoves. So I'll write induction stoves, 5 induction stoves. Okay, actual rate for induction stove is 5,600. I'll sell it for 6,500. And then this is the rate we are going to sell. Now give an enter, enter. Now give, okay, enter, enter. If you see here, you don't have the GST. Okay, did we create a GST here for accounting vouchers? See, we didn't create a GST. So we have to create one more items in our accounts ledger. Okay, what is the ledger we have to give? Accounts info operator. We'll create one more, like in TDS we did. Okay, we are going to create a accounts ledger. What is the one? Like TDS we created earlier. So CGST, that will come in duties and taxes. Okay, so that will come in GST. And then what is CGST? Central tax. Okay, don't give any calculation. Give an enter and save it. Okay, then SGST. Okay, yes, GST. If you see here, you can give like that. Yes, GST. That will also come in duties and taxes. GST amount. That S means state. So it will come in state tax. Don't give any percentage. If you are having only one type of product, you can give the percentage here. I'm having many products, so don't give anything, give and save it. Okay, next one is your IGST. IGST means that also will come in duties and taxes, GSTs. Okay, that will come in integrated tax. Don't give any percentage. Okay. Okay, don't give any percentage, give an applicable and then give an enter. Now, we'll come to our accounting info, accounting vouchers. Now sales. I'll put a sales now. F8 1 2 3. Party name is Ratna Fan House. Okay. Now Ratna Fan House. Where is Ratna Fan House? In Tamil Nadu. So what I'm going to sell? TV. How many TVs? 10 TVs. For 26,000 I'm going to sell. Okay. And then I'm going to sell induction stove. How many induction stove? For example, 5. I'm going to sell for 6,500. Automatically you'll get it. Now give an enter. Now Ratna Fan Houses in Tamil Nadu. So what are the taxes will be applicable? CGST and SGST. So CGST, see automatically, you see here it has calculated. I didn't do anything. Then SGST automatically again 18% 9% of 2,92,000 and 9% of 2 lakh automatically it should come. Only then your program is correct. Okay. Now the same thing. What is the next question we'll see? Preeti mixer to Rahul Traders Tirupati. Okay. So Tirupati is in different state. So I'll put 1 2 3. To whom? Rahul Traders. So Rahul Traders is in Tirupati. So it is out of Tamil Nadu. So sales ledger. So what it will, we'll have mixer Preeti. Quantity. How many quantities I'm going to sell? I'm going to sell 15 mixer grinder, 15. Rate is some 16,000 I'll sell. You are getting that. Now, if you for this, if you give CGST, okay, if you give CGST, see, are you getting the values now? You won't get the value for CGST because CGST is not applicable. Likewise, SGST also you're not getting the value because only IGST is applicable because it is outside Tamil Nadu. See, if I give IGST automatically, how much percentage? 18% of 2,40,000. Automatically it will calculate and you will get it like this. Okay, so that value should come automatically. Only if the value comes automatically, your program is correct. Okay, your assignment is correct. So I think you have understood. Now make sure GSTs can be given at many steps. Okay, if the category for all the category it is only one type of GST percentage, you can give it while creating the stock category itself. Now same category, there are two products, different GSTs. You have to give GST value while creating the stock items. Okay. Or I'm selling only one type of products, for everything it is same. Now you can give it in sales itself. While doing sales itself, you can create a GST and accounting voucher. You can go here. Now I can go for my display. Okay, there I can go for my statutory reports. GST, if you see here, okay, so GSTR1, okay, what all the reports, rate setup, what all the items you see here, taxable, what all the items I've sent here, then all the things we can get it here, GST2, these are the forms, what all the things, so everything will be seen in this particular GST reports. Okay, so very important one. See, these are the GSTs, this one. I hope you understood. Thank you. Any doubts, you can get it clarified and try to do the assignment and send it to me. Bye.